Madison is red.
Madison? You're green? You're red. I need to brush it in.
Because I don't want them to they'll church.
Brush it off.
Yeah, she already took it off. No, that you already took it off. I was telling your coach.
Will they wrestle again?
Who's they?
Javier, the last match. Did we beat him twice?
It depends on the bracket. Like I can only see
okay.
the next 10. Watch, see, it only lets me see, so I can't see the whole bracket.
Okay, no problem.
Sorry.
Just come back around that time.
Does anybody have a knife?
That's your face.
Okay, so do we have Isai and Justin?
You are red. You are green.
Tell me when to start. So is the next one here Isai? It's a guy in blue, and I don't know. Oh, well, she has a red nose singlet. Circle me first.
I was the guy
who was in blue. Should I have them both paid?
Yeah.
Okay. Check the nothing.
Two green.
Two green? Okay, got it. So it's Isai, Methola, and Justin. Methola from what team? Oh, she has.
We'll see.
And the other one is Jocelyn Ramos Rebels. Yes, baby, you are. Nothing's happened, right? I'm calling it. Okay.
Get ready.